Good morning, everyone. Just a quick one. There is a controversial issue about what happened in Edo State yesterday. I'm talking about the Edo election. Is that yesterday or day before yesterday? But the important thing there is about what is the problem that is destroying Nigeria. And that is what I want us to talk this morning. And when you look at the situation of things, you will come to realize that it is not Edo people's problem. Now, this is what I mean. People don't still understand the negative effect of Abuja against the people. If I tell you that presidency is against the people, a lot of people don't understand what I mean. Presidency is against the people. Imagine if there is no Abuja. Do you think that what happened in Edo State yesterday will happen? If not because of Abuja, do you think that what happened in Imo State, where Uzodema was returned to number one? All those things are effect of Abuja. And where I'm going is because we are in one Nigeria without regional government, without separation of powers and everything. Every ethnic group, how I wish they all will just form their own region or their own country in Nigeria. That is the only way Nigeria will become better. There is no how this country is going to become better with all these shenanigans. Just look at it now. I just pray that from now to 10 years, people will understand what we are talking about. People will understand what we are saying. Because from the look of things, there is no how this nation will continue to grow or go forward in this situation. No how. There is no how. I'm not saying even the possibility of this country improving from now to 2050 or in fact the eternity. Since I was born, to be honest with you, I've never seen 1 year where Nigeria improved better than the previous year. What I'm seeing is retrogression every year. Retrogression. Must we continue like that? Yesterday, or day before yesterday, if I'm not mistaken, Oshomanda was flying police helicopter. Because these are the things they plan. What they plan in Edo State, I told you people before, but people did not understand. Oga need them. That is the slogan. Oga need them. Oga say you need them. Who be the Oga? Tinubu. Tinubu say you need Edo State. These people are already preparing for 2027. They are not interested in your welfare. They are not interested in anything at all that is happening to you. What they are interested is just how to get the power. That is why I'm telling you people, people should wake up. You people should wake up because the way I'm seeing things, if care is not taken, it's not going to be funny as usual in this country because things are getting worse. Now, let me say the reason why I am making this video. I'm making this video because Edo people say Ofone, right? Ofone, it is finished. Now, during the campaign of the APC gubernatorial candidate, Okpebono, he said that he's going to bring insecurity to Edo people. Edo people, are you ready? Okpebono said he is going to bring insecurity to you people. So get ready for Edo State ravage insecurity. I'm not the one that said it to. APC candidate said he's going to bring insecurity. And as I speak to you, the Fulanis, they are already preparing to storm Edo State because anywhere they see APC, they always go there. I could remember when my governor, Senator Dr. Fanyokowa, was coming out as a vice presidential candidate to Atiku. That was when Fulani trooped to Agbo. And that is the genesis of the insecurity ravage communities we have in Agbo today. You know why I'm saying this is because a lot of people don't still understand what is going on. Now, if Edo people are not careful, this election they rig is going to bring crisis. It's going to bring division, enmity, and so on and so forth. I saw so many people who are writing about, PDP won the state before. Why is people? We are not talking about who win or who did not win. What people are talking about, the way the person won the election. That is what they are talking about. They are not talking about who win or who did not win. So, these people, for people to come like that and mastermind the rigging, they just want by all means, give us a do. The question you should ask, are they rigging because they love the people? No. If your politician loves you, the politician will not rig the election because he loves you. So any politician who is rigging an election is a sign that the person don't love you. The person will not care for you. The person will not do anything good for you because the person don't have your interests at heart. So that is what Edo people should understand. A lot of people are happy now. Or Obaseki sue Oba before. Obaseki do this. Obaseki did that. No problem. Oh. Give them 4 years. Everybody will still be crying. APC no good. Oh. APC no good. Oh. The political religion change is not the hope of the people. And that is why I am urging every Nigerians to think about the solution. All this election is not the solution. Do you even imagine one day that in this APC administration that your vote is going to count? And do you think that in 2027, if Nigeria still exists, that this Tinubu anybody will be able to remove him in power with the alignment of Wike and all those people? Nigerians are in trouble, but they don't know. You wake up, you meet trouble every day. I'm advising Nigerians, we should do what we want to do to make sure that we provide solution to all these, evil we are seeing in our country. Because Nigeria can never succeed. Nigeria cannot continue like this. Either you like it or not, there is nothing that will make Nigeria to continue like this. I urge the well-meaning Nigerians to embrace the solution. The solution is not election. The solution is revolution. The solution is for this country to have a referendum where everybody will go to their own region. The solution is for us to amend the constitution. And the reason why we keep on hinting the amendment of the constitution is because it is the constitution that gives hope to all this illegality. The constitution of Nigeria says Nigeria is one indivisible Nigeria. That constitution must be scrapped, amended, and it must, have a clause where people will be able to say, I do not succumb or subscribe to the unity of this nation killing us. What is the essence of a country? A country that is killing you, a country that don't want you to grow. What is the essence? Why do we need a country if the country is against you? No soldier, no police that is fighting insecurity in the villages. I know that, yes, they are showing interest in the northern part of the country now. But it is the same politician who created it. Why can't they go after the politicians who are creating all this insecurity? They are in the government. They are in the presidency. They are in the ministerial portfolios. Why can't they go after them after so many confections? And people are still, taking what the governor of Zamfara said for granted. That the former governor, Matawande, is a bandit and has been sponsoring bandits. People are still taking it for granted. I pity Nigerians. So, my dear brethren, what I'm trying to say is that everybody should start advocating. The least you should advocate is regional government. But a lot of people will not even subscribe to regional government. People will subscribe to a total separation of this entity called Nigeria, and then just separate it. Now, this is why it's important for them to separate it. Imagine if those states have their own country. Do you think that anybody will rig election and go away with it? They use police to suppress the people's vote. But when the police is among your people, everything is in your own way, you will see that there is, there will be a little bit problem. And if they want to divide Nigeria, they should just divide it very, very well. When I mean very, very well, every ethnicity, every group should have their own, country. That is the only solution. That is the only solution. Because, we cannot continue like this. So for now, it is finished. Nigeria has been hijacked, and there is nothing like unity in this country. The unity in this country has been threatened. And I urge everybody to subscribe to this idea that Nigeria must not be one. If the unity of Nigeria is the one killing us, why do we continue to talk about the unity? Why do we continue to kill ourselves for what does not care for us? I rest my case, so I'm just trying to talk reality out of issues. Let me know what you think on the comment section. Stand up.